This video is going to show you how to make a PHP include statement and why you would want to use them. The why can be a number of things, like for example, changing the header and footer across the entire site's layout by just changing the one PHP includes file. Or, as in this example, you have the same menu along the top of all of your site's pages, and there's about 100 pages on your site. And now you want to add another link to your menu, but you don't want to spend the next 2 days adding that one link to each individual page's menu bar. Well, with the PHP include statement, you don't have to. You simply change the one PHP includes file, then, like magic, everywhere you've placed that include statement would automatically change instantly. And now here's what you're going to need for this to work. You're going to need this code wherever you want the PHP include statement to show. So in this example, you'll need the code placed somewhere below the header image and above the content area. And I'll show you that here in just a second. And you're also going to need the file that the include statement is pointing to, and all the pages associated with your include statement. In this example, the home page, the about us page, all the product pages, they're all going to have to end with .php, like index.php, and not .htm or .html. And this is important. All the files need to be on the same server. Ideally, they should be on the same domain, but they don't necessarily have to. But they do need to be on the same server. Let's go ahead and add that product 3 page link to the menu so that I can show you just how quick and easy this is. Now, I've already created the product 3 page. I just need to add that particular link to the menu.php file that this include statement is using. Now, you can do this a couple of different ways. You can either edit the file on your desktop and then upload it to your server using an FTP client like FileZilla, and then just overwrite the existing file that's on your server. Or, as I'm going to demonstrate, you can use your file manager from your cPanel control panel. I've already logged into my cPanel and opened up my file manager, and here are all the files here. That's the new file here, the product 3 page. Again, they're all ending in .php. Let me go ahead and show you where that include statement is at, just to give you an idea. Again, it's below the header image and above the content area in this example. You can put it wherever you want it, depending upon what you're using it for. But right here we are. That's it. And I've got it in the same location on every single page. Now, I don't have to edit this at all. What I have to edit is the menu.php file. Go and close this out. And that's right here. Right click and then left click on code edit. Click on edit. And the main difference between code edit and edit is that the code editor has numbers over here. And this is the PHP file being pulled into that include statement. As you can see, there's not a lot to it. There's no tables, no opening HTML tag or any of that stuff. Just exactly what I want on that particular page. So for this particular demonstration, I'm just going to copy everything for product page 2. Make a few adjustments here. I don't need that there. I do need the hyphen there. And change this to 3. Now, as you saw, I already have the product 3 page created, so I'm not going to get an error message whenever I pull this up. And as soon as I click on Save Changes, everywhere that I have that menu.php file being pulled in through a PHP include statement is going to instantly change. I'm going to click on Save Changes and take a look at our handiwork here. Refresh the page and boom. Product 2 has that link. About Us has that link. Everywhere that we have that PHP include statement pulling in that particular, in this example, menus.php file, that change has automatically taken place. Whether it's on 4 pages or 104 pages, it's done instantly. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on PHP includes. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.